Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix notifications not working on X, formerly Twitter. So to fix this you have first of all go to X, open the app, and after that click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that go to settings and privacy. After that go to notifications, and here you will find all the options related to notifications. So first of all, you can go to filters and to see if you activated the quality filter, because when you activate the quality filter, you will receive less notifications because the app of X will filter low quality content from your notifications. And this will make the number of notifications that you receive lower. And also you can see the muted notifications here. If you muted anything of these, if you muted notifications about people you don't follow or who don't follow you, or with a new account, or who have a default profile picture, or who haven't confirmed their email, or who haven't confirmed their phone number. So if you don't want to receive notification from any one of those, you can just activate it. And like that, you will not receive notifications from accounts that don't match the criteria that you selected. And after that, there is your preferences. You can choose here what you will receive through push notifications. And of course, anything that you don't like, you can just turn it off. And what you will receive through SMS notifications. And through also email notifications, you can choose. And if all those settings are good and you still didn't receive any notification, you should go to settings. And after that, scroll down, go to apps, search for X, go to it. And as you can see, there is notifications option. Click on it. And you should be sure that the first option, allow notifications, is activated, because if this one is not activated, also you will not receive any notification. And that's it. If all those settings are good and you're still not receiving any notifications, you can restart your phone and leave it for 1 or 2 hours and see if you are going to receive some notifications. And if still not, in that case, it's better to delete the app, restart your phone, and after that, download the app again and open your account, and everything should be good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you